It's your girl, Soso Models, and in today's video, I will be showing you the looks that I'm taking with me on a 10-day trip to Greece. You heard me, 10-day trip to Greece. So come along as I show y'all some of the fun looks that I'm putting together for this trip. All right, y'all. So this look I recently got while thrifting. I was at a Goodwill and this really just stood out to me. So this dress is a size 0. I'm a size 6. Anyways, y'all, I made it fit. It's 100% silk. I love these sleeves. Let me show y'all the details. So the sleeves are like knit sleeves, which will be good for like those breezy nights in Greece. And the neck is a little tight. That's size 0. I like this little gold button on the back, which is really, really cute. I think this is like nice, flowy, loose, and comfortable. And I'm probably gonna pair it with these white sandals, which I'll be wearing these a lot with my outfit. So this is a really cute find for less than $8. All right, y'all, so this is one of the dresses that I ordered from Shein. I did order a few dresses from Shein. This is 100% polyester. This is like an off-white, beige, and red dress. I love the designs. I love the pattern. I love that it's a little high here, and then it's lower in the back. Super cute. The chest area is open, which I have to, be careful with that. I'm gonna show y'all this up close. Yeah, so it is open in the middle, which isn't too bad, but it gives you, some air. I do love how loose the sleeves are, and then there's an opening in the back too to give you some air. So on a nice, warm day, I can still get some air circulation going and still look cute and fashionable. Another one of the dresses that I purchased from Shein, this by far is one of my favorite dresses that I purchased from them. So this is another polyester dress with a little bit of spandex. So it's loose, it's very stretchy, it's flowy, which is great for Greece and comfort and wind blowing. And a little sashaying down the street, okay? So I love the colors on this. Come in close so y'all can see. So we have orange and blue. There is a little separation here. This is probably for people with bigger boobs. Y'all know I ain't got that. So you don't need to know that there's a separation. And in the back, it is crisscross and low, which is good. This is just like a really pretty find. I really, really love these colors. I think this will look great along a lot of the white architecture that will be in Greece. There is a little bit of side boob, not too much, which is good, which is fun. This is a size small. And I will have the links to all the items that I did purchase from Shein. This is another dress I ordered from Shein. Okay, y'all. It's giving, maybe 10 years ahead of my time. Just 10 years ahead of my time. So one thing about this dress that I was mad about is I actually ordered it in a size medium, even though I am a size small. I don't really know what happened. I might have just been rushing or whatever the case may be. So this dress, it's loose, it's flowy. We like the yellow and white. We not gonna hold that. I got there's a little split on the side. Make sure y'all check out my Greece blog to see how this actually looked like when my hair is done. I'm gonna get my hair braided. I have on jewelry, some accessories, like sunglasses and stuff. So it'll probably look different, but it's coming with me regardless. So just trying to make the best of it. Let me show y'all just a little close. It's not cute. Maybe if it was a little looser and I could wear it off the shoulders, that would look better. This just, let me tell y'all something. Every outfit that you order online ain't gonna fit, okay? This got an underskirt too. The wing goes into the back. So let's just, let's move on to the next dress. Okay, this dress is much better. This is another Shein dress that is 100% polyester, size small, like always. I love the long sleeves on this. I love the thin material, which will be good for a nice breeze. I be hot, I be cold, so we got levels. So I do love the split on the side, not too much. And I love the design and the patterns on this. I don't know what to call this. It's like, I'll write somewhere here the name of this type of print. But it's really, really pretty. A lot of different colors incorporated here. Show y'all this close up. I like the low neck. It's not too low, but just low enough just to give just a little boobage action. But this is really, really pretty. I know it might look orange, but it's actually red. It's a really, really nice red, deep red tone, which is really nice. This feels cute, comfortable. I definitely feel much better in this dress than that yellow dress that I had on. So this will be nice to wear, keeping everything loose, fun, and flowy. Now every outfit ain't gonna be a hit, okay? Every outfit just ain't gonna be a hit. This, it's staticky, so it's sticking to me. This, what I thought, it looked good on the mouse. It looked good on the mouse. I said, oh, it's long sleeve, plus the dress is long, plus, oh, it got a little design, plus, but I don't know if this is gonna go with me, y'all. I'ma just be honest. I don't know if this is gonna go with me. It's giving house dress. It's giving errands dress, maybe. It's giving Comic-Con convention dress. It's giving fairy tale. Maybe I can wear it at night, maybe out to a bar or something. Maybe. We'll see if it actually gets worn. That's why y'all gotta make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch my Grease vlog to see what outfits I really do wear. We'll just see with this one. We'll just see. This dress is from the closing day of my new home. If you haven't checked out Soso's home playlist, make sure you check that out. Anyways, y'all, I got this dress from an African attire shop in the west side of Atlanta. This, y'all, so many colors, so much comfort in this dress too. Very loose. I'm going with very loose things that will, you know, blow in the wind, give me some nice shots. Long, so if it is chilly, my legs are covered. I'm gonna come in close so y'all can see the details and the colors on this dress. Lots of vibrant colors. This will be really, really pretty. It's an off-the-shoulder top. I could wear it up here just to give it like a different look, but I like an off-the-shoulder top because my neckline look good, y'all. My neckline looking good. And come on, and shoulder. Show off Nigeria, okay? But no, this is a very comfortable dress, loose fitting, very good. We'll be doing a lot of walking in Greece, so I really want to make sure like I'm comfortable and cute, because I know I gotta get a lot of content done. So this dress is a definite must. Come with me to Greece. Okay, so this is an H&M dress I got while thrifting in Maryland. This is a really cute, another comfy, loose dress. I love the print on this side, and then the solid on this side. Let's look at these details. It's like these hints of color, and then this side you have just the all white. So a lot of the looks I have where majority of the outfit is white. I'm gonna definitely save that for like Santorini's, Mykonos. Look at the back. The back is a solid white. This is cute, comfy. Throw on a little jacket or sweater if it gets chilly. I will have a brown sweater with me, so I will show y'all that later, just to throw on over anything, you know, if it gets chilly, windy at night or in the mornings. This dress is one of the few fitted items that I will be taking with me to Greece. So I got this dress from my homegirl Nadine. Shout out to Nadine. This is a New York & Company dress. Y'all know I'm going for the whites, the off-whites. I think this would be cute. It is a thick sweater-like material, so that will definitely keep me warm. Once again, the temperature is gonna be mid-70s, and you know, at night the temperature will drop to like the 60s. So this is another cute item where I can just throw on a jacket over my shoulders. Comfy, cute. The off-white, the white is gonna go with the ambiance and the essence of Greece. so my infamous blue and white jumpsuit is going with me. My mom bought this for me X amount of years ago. Still fits, it still works. The top is an infinity top, so you can tie the top part any way you want. I just tied it like this just for the purposes of showing you all like in the video what it looks like. And this is how the back looks. The back's always gonna look different depending on how you tie it. I'll play around with different things like on the day that I actually wear it. But this is just so comfy, so loose fitting. I love the super, super wide legs, which can be good and bad. The only bad thing about it is that they do drag. So the bottom's gonna get dirty. Because I usually don't wear high heels with these. I like wearing flat sandals. And then you can't really see, you know, what's on my feet. Take this with me to Greece, and this may be the last go around of this jumpsuit. I might leave it in Greece as well, okay? But we'll see how things go. Cute, comfy, easy wear. This skirt, my mom thrifted for me. It's an H&M skirt. It was brand new. She thrifted it up in Maryland. And this top is a top I've had for a while. I believe my aunt in London gave me this top. It's from a store in London called Marks & Spencer's. So, this is a day combination. Very light, very airy. I love fun, flowy. That's the vibe we go with. I think looks are really gonna come together once I start accessorizing. You know, put on like a little necklace, a bracelet, a watch. My hair will be braided, maybe like an updo style. I think that would be super, super cute. This is fun, flowy, and straight from the closet. All right? Because every outfit does not have to be brand new on every trip, especially when you got a lot of days ahead of you. So, fun, cute, fun, fashionable, might change the top, might not. I don't really have anything else to go with this, so I'll probably keep this top and skirt combo. Details up close. This is how we looking. This is how we rocking. All right, guys, so we have this cobalt blue A-line silk skirt that my mother got me. This is really, really cute. It's definitely giving Greece for sure. I matched it up with like an off-white top that she got me as well. Whether I wear this combo together, I don't know, but for now, this is a good look, and it has pockets, which is amazing. Amazing to have like an A-line dressy skirt with pockets. This look for me is more of a daytime look, especially with me wearing like no sleeves, because at night it's gonna be chilly. So I would definitely wear this during the day. This is definitely giving Greece. All right, y'all, another look pulled from my closet. These harem Ankara print pants, my mom got these for me while thrifting, of course. And then I got this. This is really a sweater dress top that I got from Ross one day, but it's really too short, so I usually just wear it at the top instead of a dress. This may be for like maybe like a night outing. I don't see myself wearing this during the day. This is just something casual and warm, okay? So, you know, it's long sleeves. The material is thick. Show y'all close up. A little bit of arm out, a little bit of chest out. This is something cute, comfortable, and casual. So, maybe on a chill night out, I could see myself throwing this outfit on. Lastly, I just want to show y'all some of the casual looks that I put together. I will be wearing like dusters with an all black outfit like this, or with like jeans and a white top. When I'm feeling just like really, really just casual and I want something comfy. So those type of looks I'll probably wear in Athens, since we'll be doing like a lot of walking and exploring. All right, y'all, so those are the looks that I will be taking with me to Greece. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see my Greece travel vlog when I actually go there with my friends, and you can see the different islands that we explore, and you can see how my outfits look once they are all put together. Also, I'll be posting on my Instagram page as well, so follow me, Soso Models, on IG. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.